Hello, I'm going to show you how to install one of the best free antiviruses that is out there. Firstly, you need to start a web browser. In my case, I will use Chrome and search for AVAST. If you have computer problems with viruses and stuff like this, you can download it. Simply go to avast.com, load the web page, and here you have a big button saying free download for PC. Just click on it. It will start the download. We will click on the file. We'll start the installer. This will work on any operating system. Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, it doesn't matter, and it's free. So we are going to install it. Okay, we will not install Chrome. We just uncheck this. We will not install Avast Secure Browser, and just click install. Okay, this will take around 1 or 2 or 3 minutes, depending on your computer's configuration and your internet connection, but it shouldn't take long. Okay, it's installing. You should not turn off your computer while doing this. And it is done. Okay, we'll click continue, and I don't want to protect my phone, and I don't want advanced protection, just the free one. And now to clean your computer, okay, we will go to we'll remain in the dashboard and just click on run smart scan. This will check all the this will check your network, your most used files, and it will tell you if your computer is infested. This is an antivirus, and in the next video I will show you how to remove malware from your computer, and you don't really need to know nothing about computers. Just follow the instructions from the tutorial. Okay. Okay, no virus is found, no vulnerable software. We have issues with our network, we'll ignore that, and performance issues, also ignore that. So the computer is clean, you installed an antivirus, scanned the computer, and all this in under 4 minutes. Thank you for watching this video, and please like it if you like it, or dislike it. Thank you.